So here it is, a few days later. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 containers. The last 2 are the nickels. The 3 in the middle are the quarters. The one at the end is the dimes. And this is loonies. And then there's extra change here. There's some weird coins that are not dollar bills. Well, it says $1, and that's the queen. At any rate, it's not a spendable currency. And then there's some other really old currencies. So I'm going to take a look at their years and stuff, put them aside. I think I got one. I can't see. This one's from 1950, so this would go into a collector's set of coins. Same with this one, it would be 1958. So, yeah, there's some spare change over here. I think in total I might have spent maybe $15 of the money so far. So God bless Nicole and her state of emergency alarm call telling me that I have to go back to Toronto to deal with her apartment and that Carlos needs my help because he can't deal with it by himself. I finished my celebration of life, the writing and the audio recording in first take last night here. I'm very tired. Today I have to go and do some errands. So I'm going to try and finish the video and then get that sent out. I did contact Dave Ramsey, who's a very famous Christian successful businessman who helps people pay off their debts, help them do well in life. And I'm requesting help with the celebration of life. I'm trying to reach the musicians, essentially. Just want to reach the musicians whose songs I've used so far. I used 3 songs in the clip I did last night, but I'd like to add another one because in a real celebration of life for her, it would be a little bit longer because other people are going to want to speak and there would be live music, right? It's not just all audio clip or video. But at any rate, Nicole, I love you. I love you. I love you. I've done what I can. Thanks for watching. If anybody wants to help support my airplane ticket cause so I don't have to sell my Volvo, this would be great. Or better yet, let's fix the Volvo so I can drive across in the Volvo. At any rate, I have to get back to Toronto. This alone here is $35. So that's a big portion of a sale price for a plane ticket already. There could be enough in here for the return ticket. I have to go get a bunch of those containers and put them all in there because banks will not take the containers this way. But God bless the man that gave all of this to me. Keep watching on what's happening. Keep listening for what's happening. I got to figure out how to send out the clip. And hopefully you guys will get to all see and hear it soon. Thank you for watching Now TV Canada and my whirlwind of the last 7 days. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm going to go. Now TV Canada signing out. Peace out. I love you all. Bye.